Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I will be showing you how to plant out your overwintered peppers for success in the spring and the summer. If we take a look at all the pepper plants that I have, you can see that I've already made cuts. This was back in fall time, and they are already starting to put out some leaves, but you can see that the soil level and the majority of these containers, except for this last one, have all sunken down. When I planted these out, they were probably at this top ring. But now, after the growing season, all those nutrients that they've used and all the soil, it's sunken down. So first thing first, we need to go in here and remove a lot of this grass seed and a lot of the weeds, just so that it doesn't compete with our pepper plants. And then I want to remove the whole thing and add some more soil with some 6-month fertilizer and bring the soil level back up so that they're ready for the spring. So that's what I'm going to do. I did have 2 pepper plants that I overwintered in the ground that I dug up, and I actually left these guys in a bucket of water just so that the roots could suck up some of that water and get revitalized. But you can see that this one has a very odd structure, which is another thing for when we go to plant these guys out, or when we go to refill these containers. Is you can see a lot of them have a lean, and that is because I let the pepper plant get too tall instead of topping it and making it bush out. So while I am trying to add soil, I'm also going to be fixing the orientation of a lot of these guys. So you can see that it's kind of leaning up and to the left. I want to make it so that it's leaning, or at least standing straight up. Same with this guy and this one, because as they start to lean, they'll start to shoot off these little side shoots and grow all weird, and that's not what I want. Although I could probably scaffold this or trellis it in a way that it'll actually be beneficial and give me more peppers. What I want to do is actually make sure this main stem, this one that's already has a darker, I guess, bark to it, is the one that's predominant. That one is standing up. This one, if I wanted to, I could remove it or try to cut it and then transplant it, or try to get it to root. But what I want to do is actually just get these guys all standing straight up. So that's what I'm going to do. But first thing first, let's take this guy out, and then we'll switch him with this one, because this one's probably the best. And then we'll plant this guy, and you can see this is about where I want the soil level at the beginning of the season. This gives me space to actually add mulch and some fertilizer. And then once we bury in these roots, then this guy's pretty much all good to go. But I'm gonna get set up on the rest of these plants, and then we'll see where we end up. All right, so like I said, we're gonna take this whole thing, we're gonna empty it out. Then once we empty it out, we'll add some more soil, and then we'll go in with the 6-month slow release fertilizer. And this is your time to try to get the orientation of the pepper right. So you can see, I'll bring you guys in closer. Now the pepper is straight up instead of leaning. That's what I want, because I want all of my side shoots to come off the plant and go off to the sides. I don't want it to do this weird Y like I showed you with the first plant. All right, we're all done. All these pots look really good with this dark mulch. You can see that all the pepper plants, except for a handful, are now oriented straight up so that they're not leaning. The only one that's leaning really is this guy. This is the one that I told you was gonna be a problem. We can come in right here and just prune that, but I'm kind of interested to see what's gonna happen, if it's just gonna end up curving and going straight up, or if it's gonna continue to grow outwards. But like I said, these look really good. I'm excited to see where we get this growing season. This is only 8 plants. I believe 6 of them are jalapeno and then 2 are bell pepper. But I am gonna have at least 20 to 30 different pepper plants, or should I say just pepper plants, this summer. So we'll see how these do. But if you guys liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.